Ha ha ha! I'm Agent Vector. I'm gonna blow up these windmills with the gas line, and nobody can stop me! Ha ha ha!
Rocket Robot, I feel like there's danger. I can just feel it. Beep, 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 beep.
There's danger. Where are we gonna find the danger?
I
We
think-
should get out there and save the world.
Let's
Like
go!
we all go.
Let's go! Let's teleport to the trouble. Beep, beep, beep.
I'm with you.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh, I see him!
Found it, the pipeline. I'll cut it, and I'll burn it down, and I'll burn the world. Ha ha ha! Who is that? Flying in. Oh no!
I knew there'd be trouble around here. It's Agent Vector.
It's my arch nemesis, Superstar. I'm destroying the world today, and you're never gonna stop me.
Rocket Robot! Rocket Robot!
Ah!
Rocket!
No! Rocket Robot! Ah! Ah! Oof! Ah! 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 No!
Agent Vector, it's rude to hurt Mother Nature because then it's bad to animals. And it's bad to humanity. It's bad to people. Because trees, they need to be here or else no oxygen. And you can die too. Beep, 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 beep.
I'm just a robot, and I know that too.
You know, I think you may be right, Superstar and Rocket Robot. Mother Nature is precious, and I'm gonna spend the rest of my days and resources and energy and time protecting it for other people and other animals that are coming after us. I see the ways now.